What it do, family? Today I got something special for you. I'm out here looking like your Uncle Leroy, and we are gonna do some barbecue. And I came home all the way to Texas, so it's only right. Now, what are we working with? What equipment do we got? This is the Komodo Joe, okay? Let's take a look inside. So, we got some hickory wood chips to get that nice smoky taste on top of some Kingsford charcoal. All right, if you know, you know. Ooh my God, look at that. We got baked potatoes. Ooh, y'all don't know what y'all missing. Look at that. We got some ribeye, some prime cut ribeye. All right, let's put it on the grill, people. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Look at them ribeyes. Ooh, that's called seasoning. We don't do no naked nothing around here. Ooh wee, look at that. Look at that. Next, we got tiger shrimp. Ooh, eating good, man. Look at these shrimp. Wait till I take them out. People, the food is ready. So, we got the tiger shrimp, the ribeye steak, baked potato with some broccoli. I ain't gonna lie, it looks good, people. It looks good. Now, let's taste it. We're gonna start with the tiger shrimp. That's good. That's good. Ooh, look at that. That's real good. Nice and buttery, just melts in the mouth. Now let's try the baked potato. That's good too. That's good too. Now let's try the ribeye. Ooh my God, that's good. Looks real good. Nice char to it. Oh my God, that's real good. Now, I'm not a big broccoli fan, but we're gonna try it. Let's see. Not bad. Not bad. Now, let's do some combos. Let's try it together. First, we're gonna try the shrimp with the broccoli. Yeah, it's a good combo. Now let's try the shrimp with the baked potato. That's good. Mama, you've outdone yourself. Now, people, ain't nothing like a home-cooked meal. I give this a 10 out of 10. All right, now let's try some of this sweet potato pie. Oh my God, that is delicious. It's been so long since I tasted sweet potato pie. Oh my God. Oh, that's good. If y'all ain't never had a sweet potato pie, y'all missing out. This is delicious.
You better like, comment, and subscribe.